Don't throw away your empty toilet freshener hanger. Instead of buying a new one, do this. Quick and cheap. Grate a bar of soap, preferably glycerin soap. It creates a thick, foamy base and dissolves slowly, making the effect last longer. Now, grab some toothpaste. You definitely have it in your bathroom. Toothpaste helps clean and freshen. Squeeze it onto the grated soap. Then add some laundry scent beads for a strong, fresh fragrance. Add a few tablespoons of baking soda, something you always have at home. It neutralizes odors and helps keep the toilet clean. Mix everything well until you get a firm mass. Form small balls and place them inside the empty hanger. You can also press the mixture directly inside. Hang it on the toilet bowl and flush as usual. Your toilet will stay clean, fresh, and pleasantly scented, without spending money on store-bought products. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and effective. This cleans your drain better than any machine. The bad smell disappears, and the water flows like a rushing river. Instead of spending money on expensive products, try this simple homemade method. A clogged sink is a common issue. We've all dealt with it. First, remove all standing water from the sink. Grab a small glass container and pour in about 1/3 of a cup of dish soap. This helps cut through grease and dissolves buildup. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt scrubs, disinfects, and neutralizes odors. Next, pour in about 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. Vinegar breaks down residue and limescale effectively. Mix the solution well. Before pouring it down the drain, sprinkle the drain opening with baking soda. It neutralizes odors and reacts with vinegar to boost the effect. Now slowly pour your prepared solution into the drain. Watch it bubble and foam. That means it's working. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. The mixture will break down grease, dirt, hair, and anything else blocking the pipe. Finish by rinsing with hot water. Your drain will be clean, the pipes unclogged, and all bad smells gone. It'll work like new. Pour coarse salt down the drain. Once you find out what it does, you'll want to try it today. It's better than 100 plumbers. Take a bowl and pour in a cup of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of any dish soap. The soap breaks down grease and blocks access to food residues. Now add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. Salt has antibacterial properties, absorbs moisture, and neutralizes odors. This amount is enough to get the desired effect. Mix everything well until the salt partially dissolves and starts to activate. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray it into all your drains, in the kitchen, bathroom, and shower. Let me explain how it actually works. This simple homemade solution helps you get rid of tiny drain flies. But that's not all. It also works great against ants and cockroaches. That's because the salt and soap create an environment that dissolves organic residue and forms a natural barrier that repels insects. Regular cleaning alone isn't enough. This simple mix will solve the problem for good, without chemicals and without expensive service calls. Throw some ice cubes into the toilet. This clever trick solves an annoying problem that hardly anyone talks about. Next, pour in your favorite cleaning liquid. Just use whatever you have at home. Then grab some fabric softener. Its anti-static properties help prevent dirt and residue from sticking to the ceramic surface. Plus, it leaves a fresh, long-lasting scent. Add a capful to the toilet. Now it's time for shaving foam. The order of these steps really matters. The foam breaks down grime and acts like an active cleaner. Next, toss in some laundry scent beads. They release a strong fragrance over time and even create a protective layer inside the toilet. Add a bit of dish soap, too. Its degreasing power cuts through dirt and makes the ceramic shine. Let everything sit in the toilet for an hour so the ingredients can work their magic. Then scrub the bowl thoroughly with a toilet brush. Flush and give it another quick scrub. The ice helps loosen deposits and makes the other ingredients work better. This wild combination acts like professional-grade cleaner. Your toilet will be not only clean, but also fresh-smelling, shiny, and looking better than ever. This 1 spoonful will save your sink. You'll never call a plumber again. No more wasting money on chemical products. Don't poison yourself or the environment. Make a natural mixture that really works. Start by taking a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice, ideally using a juicer. You'll need about half a cup. Citric acid is excellent at eliminating bacteria and neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add half a cup of dish soap. It dissolves grease and helps the mixture reach deep into the pipes. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt. Thanks to its abrasive properties, it removes built-up grime, limits bacterial growth, and further neutralizes smells. Mix everything until you get a thick consistency. This is important. The thicker the mixture, the longer it stays in the drain and the more effective it is. Now the key part. In the evening, pour 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda into the sink. Immediately follow with the prepared mixture. Leave it overnight. In the morning, plug the sink, fill it with hot water, and after a moment, unplug it. The strong rush of water will flush away the dissolved dirt and bacteria. Done. A clean, odor-free, chemical-free sink. Natural, simple, and effective. Squeeze some toothpaste onto toilet paper and spread it evenly. You'll be surprised how effective this method is. Tear off a few pieces of toilet paper and fold them in half, then fold again to form a strip. Now, twist the paper between your fingers to create a rolled shape. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste to the twisted paper and spread it carefully. Toothpaste contains ingredients like mint and menthol, which act as irritants. Next, place the twisted paper inside an empty soda can, positioning it in the opening under the tab. Now let me show you how to get rid of mosquitoes effectively. Simply light the end of the paper and wait for it to smolder, releasing smoke. Mosquitoes can't stand this specific smoke and will immediately stay away. This is a ridiculously simple and inexpensive way to keep annoying insects away without using chemicals. Now you can enjoy a peaceful evening without worrying about bites. Put straws into the drain. Trust me, this crazy idea is genius. For this trick, you'll need plastic straws. You probably have some at home. You'll also need scissors. With the scissors, you'll create an extraordinary straw. So, take a straw and make several cuts in it. Watch how I do it. Don't cut the straw in half. Just make diagonal slits. Make a few more slits like this. 2 slits close together will do. If you cut out the small section between them, it will form a sharp notch. Cut a few notches on one side of the straw, then do the same on the other side. Each cut should have a sharp tip. It's best to use smaller scissors. They make it easier to cut those small elements. Once prepared, insert the straws into the drain. Push it in as deep as possible. Just move it around for a moment. Many people have problems with water drainage in the sink. It often clogs due to hair falling in. This trick will solve that problem for good. All the hair in the drain will get caught in the straw. Just throw them away and you're done. The drain will be as good as new.